Video is intended to give you your first glance at assembly drawings. Products are made up of several individual parts assembled together to make assemblies. Smaller assemblies, called subassemblies, are combined to create entire products. There are different types of assemblies to serve different purposes. Here, the drill press drawing gives important details that would belong in a sales catalog or website for customers to consider purchasing this drill press. It does not give enough information to build it or even to put it together. Many assembly drawings are used to help put the products together and to show the relationship between all the components. The goal of the assembly drawing is not to create all the individual parts, but instead shows how they fit together. Often shortcuts are used to help reduce the time to create assembly drawings. Here you see a photo drawing created using a photograph. Exploded views show the parts pulled away from one another, but still gives the reader an idea of where and how the parts go together. Exploded views are often used in assembly manuals. In some cases, assembly drawings might show all the details and dimensions to create the parts, but in this class we will detail the parts separately. This is an example of the type of assembly drawing I'm looking to get from you. Notice the orthographic projection views, top, front, and right side, with hidden lines showing. Notice the isometric view has a balloon attached to each part. String together all those balloons for components assembled on the axles that you can't see, as shown with items 5, 6, 7, and 9. The number inside the balloon is called the item number, and it is used to reference the parts list or bill of material. The bill of material is the most important component on the drawing, and extreme care must always be given to ensure it is correct. For your projects, make sure your bill of material includes the item number, part number, description, and quantity fields. Also, you should get into a habit of assigning unique part numbers to all of your part files and completing the description field in the iProperties. These two good practices will help the software automatically populate your bill of materials. Create individual drawings for every remaining part that's not a standard components. Items like washers, nuts, and bolts that are purchased right off the shelf do not need a detailed drawing, but they do need a unique part number and must be included in your assembly's bill of material. If you have any questions or comments, please give me a call or send me an email.